All right, we're on. We're just leaving our secret hiding place. A little bit of traffic, not too much. You know, something like that. That's nothing. It's not even traffic, it's just a truck. Well, so I'm going to jump on here. Oh, what the hell? Okay, not quite a mile yet. Oh, another one coming from the other way. Yeah, the corner's, about a little over an eighth of a mile, maybe. Now, there's nothing coming from my left. There's nothing coming from my right. Yeah, I even scrubbed the tires when I left there. So, I think I went home yesterday 14 miles with 3 bananas. Now, 3 bananas left. So 2 bananas, that's 12, 13, 14 miles. That's about 7 miles I pushed it. You know, I get good downhills and tried not to pedal when I didn't need to, like right here. Just because the wind is pushing me back a little bit, it's going to slow me down. But yeah, right here. I don't care how fast I go. I don't even know those fucking speed demons that they got to go 15 miles an hour the whole trip. Fuck that shit. There was a day when Dennis needed some water, so I went into the center of Danielson, this little convenience store over on the, Army Street, because there's an Army Reserve over there. So anyway, as we're going in, or as he goes in, I went outside. I see bikes on the side of the building. Oh, one guy standing there. Well, I had to ask him, hey, what you doing, man? Hey, we're not going like you. We don't ride like you, but how many miles you got on today? Oh, we've got 50 so far. What? Yep, we got 50 miles on so far. I think we're halfway from where we were. No, yeah, it had to be in the 60s, both of them. Had to be. That's what got me, was they were both late 50s anyway. I can't judge a person by his cover. Okay, so anyway, Dennis come on the door and these guys are riding 50 miles already. No way, man. We're lucky if we put on 25 today. And that was back a couple years ago. Kind of surprised us both. Yeah, you know, it bent over handlebars and the little wheels. Or I should say the little tires. And I think we both had no. I had a hybrid and he had a hybrid at that time. Which is a 28 speed bicycle with not too thin tires like the racing ones. Or just a skosh up. I think they were 1 7/8. Just wide, I think they go to 1 7/8. Yeah, nice ride. Regular bike, no shocks, nothing, just a straight frame. Just like this, honey. Got that cheap beast? Hey, I mentioned you in a video. How about that? Yeah. So far, you're a good girl. What can I say? Getting my kicks on Route 205. Let's go drink deep beer. Beer is good. Beer is good. Beer is good. And stuff. Beer is good. Beer is good. Beer is good. Let's go drink some beer. Wow. Beer. Wow. Beer, 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 beer. Psycho Stick. When it's warm, it's toasted, tasted crappy. When I throw up on the floor, I get up and drink some more. Let's go drive a car. Beer is good. Beer is good. Beer is good. That stuff. Beer is good. Beer is good. Beer is good. And stuff. Beer. 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 This is live in Florida, I think. And it's he played a concert with a couple of buddies of theirs. Good fucking heavy tune to come out with. That was their first hit. Boy, I don't know, it kicked my ass. Beer by Psycho Stick. Yep, I can't think of nothing else to go with it. It's an outside show. It looks like it's a small local show. Not much of a stage covering, but fucking A. 2 songs. Beer. Jägermeister love song. Oh, it does too. It gets fucking deadly squad, man. Oh, man. Oh, what the fuck is going on? Yep, awesome. I've seen him live 14 times. Yeah, I know that's enough, but I've put on a couple miles. And it was well worth it. Awesome. Awesome. I had a bunch of videos on my first 10,000 Visa Guy videos. And like I said, 14 concerts, I probably take 10 of them. It was back when I didn't have a camera. But yeah. Usually when there's a show in town, it just premieres them. Or not premiere, but it's with them. $30. I've been to shows for Psycho Stick and they were $10. How can you go wrong? Well, you guys don't know it, so. Finger out. Going this way. Yeah, always a good show. I'm a dog and I like socks. Give me that sock. Num num num. Num num. They wrote a song about throwing something back and forth for a dog and how the dog reacts. Before I'm into the song, I've been playing a couple of the Cycle Stick tunes and you gotta hear these things through my earbuds. Oh yeah. It's music like you people never heard before unless you know what earbuds are. What they'll do. You can just off your phone. Oh, I got the same thing. It's coming right from the instrument. And yeah, that feels good. Oh, maybe I'll have some water so I won't sound so dry. Okay. Cycle stick. Sideways. Nice smooth ride today, I take it. A little bit of bumps and bruises here and there, but well worth the ride. I like this. It's nice and smooth. I have to go up a couple of hills, but at the same time, it's a nice ride. Just did this yesterday, too. mug. All right, you guys just, Jesus, I have to put something into this or they're not going anywhere. The wind's pushing right against me. Not even moving. Now that white car, that's something white? Yeah. That would have been something I would have driven if I needed a car today. Or one of those smart cars, the two-seater from, oh, I think it's, I'm not sure, it's a bunch of them. But they're out. They haven't been made in years. I rode in one. What the hell was that name of that thing? First kind, I think it was about the first one to come out and show that, oh, this is how we do these little cars. That model that they showed on advertisements. But yeah, when it first came out, I went on a ride, about a mile and a half. It had what I figured it would have. You know, he said the steering is excellent. And it's got get up and go, but it bounces around too much because of the tight springs I think it has. I don't know, I think it might be the driver. I don't fucking remember when that happened. Excuse me? Space, I can ride this. This is where I fell down here when I first started riding my bicycle. And I hit an inch curb. Very easy to get up on. I took it at the wrong angle. Dumped the bike over on the right hand side. And I kind of fell off and kept rolling with my roll until I had either slowed down or stopped. Which was stop, not slow down. But yes, I started rolling into the accident. Got up and I think, I don't know what the fuck happened there. Nope, it's gone. All right, Gary. Yeah, I had a drink, forgot about the camera. I guess it's still on. Really didn't know what to do because I didn't think the camera was on. Now I know if the camera's on, I'm going to yak through the whole fucking video. Well, I just took a break there for a minute to catch a breath, but yeah, I took this route yesterday. Nice and smooth. I was talking about that. Jeez, I don't even know if you're on. Let me check you. Yep. You is. So we'll do this. Keep an eye on the traffic behind me. Boy, I tell you, I've had this mirror, 3 years now? No, maybe 2. Last year and this year. It hangs, well, I don't know if you've seen it on my, if you've seen it on my bike, but it hangs down off in the middle of the handlebar and goes underneath my arm. And so I can see traffic there. And I've moved it a couple of times, and it seems like the mirror is in a downward position. So it's a long mirror by, it's 2 inch by 4 inch, and it hangs down. And I can get anything from everything down the road in a long paved road. I can see the front of the car. Or a car, I won't see the, I mean, I will see the geez, shit together. I will see a little bit of the ground with the wheels or whatever I'm looking at, and the rest will be sky, so whatever's above the ground. Boy, that took a while. The fuck was I thinking? I don't know. You tell me. Oof, a lot of cycle sticks. Wow. Oh, it's kicking ass too. So anyway, I don't know where the hell I'm is, but we'll figure it out when I get there. Oh yes, I am headed west on Route 14. Nice ride. Got some hills coming up. But all in all, it's a nice ride because, yeah, there's a lot of farmhouses out here. We'll see. Yeah, there are. Well, everywhere in Canterbury and Brooklyn, all around here, there used to be farming. Oh yeah, back in the 1860s, what are you going to do? Farm the land, feed your family, sit in front of a nice warm fire because you had to cut the wood for it. Then Junior grows up. Hey, Junior, guess what? You are helping me. Mom, let's have another one. That one in there goes into the family as a farmer too. What's changed? A scary, immense change that I won't ever see the end of it. But just imagine what we've got in the last, since 1940 when they goofed with the computer. A computer, some kind of device to simulate computing. Yeah. I don't know. But they had that. And then it went on, and these two guys in the garage built this fucking thing that nothing ever like it. oh, I can do everything I want. It's not, I mean, everything. Oh, I can talk to my neighbor in California. I can email, he can email, and blah, blah, blah. We're right into that. Now we have cell phones, computers, wireless systems. In other words, I got the phone in my back pocket and I got my earbuds. Because they're wireless too. Well, I don't have wireless. I have a wire. I did not think that I could get my thing, what is it, coupled with my Bluetooth. I was having trouble setting up my Bluetooth on this unit. It's Shanley. I don't know. Nice, compact, like it, got good sound. And they couldn't get it. Weird. All right. Me not know what me is doing. I know what I'm doing. I'm just, oh, remember that glass yesterday? Yep, we ran into it again today. Yep, we ran right over it. It goes all across the road anyway. I mean, the pathway. Route 14, what did I tell you? The sign's right there. Told you. Took me a sec to remember that too. Boy, my mouth is really dry today. Oh, small glass. Oh. Alright, well, I'm going to shut you off because I don't seem to think that I can write this video because I can't think. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, you know I got metal.